Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Well, this is one special video I thought of making after completing the 21 episodes of ABC, and this is to share the story behind ABC series. No matter what, we don't know at this point how long we would be doing this content and what all different categories we would touch upon, but ABC will always stay close to our heart, because when we decided to produce such content, ABC is the first series that we picked up. And personally it was very challenging for me, because the first thing was, due to this lockdown we couldn't use our studio and most of the shoots we'll have to manage at home. And the best part was we tried managing everything on our own. Like, we collected stories, we analyzed them, and we'll have to customize them so that it connects to the today's world and today's children. And I'll have to handle light, camera, and I was always conscious about how the backgrounds looked. So with all this, it was really a very good learning experience too. And the other thing was, narrating a story before camera is completely different experience when compared to narrating a story before a bunch of children. With children, what happens is we improvise a lot and we could see their emotions all through the story, how they are getting related to it. But before camera, it is just me talking to me. So it was very challenging for me, because I had no clue if I am able to convey what I wanted to, and if children will like it or not. So there were many doubts and questions in my mind. But the positive feedback and the positive response that I have received from children and parents was always very encouraging. And I felt very happy when children told me that they understood the stories and they loved to listen to them more and more. Let us have a look at the small snippet that I made from all the 21 episodes of ABC. Hello to all wonderful children out there, and hearty welcome to the very first episode of ABC, a better change for a better life, presented by Story Labs. Bill is paid long ago with a glass of milk. How many times did you complain your mom and dad that you didn't have some color pens, or you wanted something more that you don't have? Most of the times we cannot change things. Also, it is not necessary to change things. It all depends on how well, how beautifully we present things to the world. Soon, the little bird will come back with another little bird. All of us keep lying to our parents or our friends or somebody around us, right? Generally, we think that lying is a very easy way to escape from things, or escape from somebody, or escape from some situations. But you know what? Honesty is the best policy. Making the best out of what we have is really a very good idea to have in life. Every good deed that you do to someone today will definitely come back to you with double and triple of energy in it. If your reason for somebody's happiness, you are filled with happiness too. Let's be happy and spread the happiness around. Wait, I have sold you only the well, not the water in it. I can give you the one feather that I am left with, but please tell me the route to heaven. Anything that comes from cheating, anything that comes for free, anything that comes from cunning will never stay with us. Started to cut down the tree, and soon he gets to listen some voice, and he was very surprised because there's nobody around. It thought, I will just smash this little mouse under my paws. When adversity knocks, what do we all do? Most of us will become angry, right? And we always express our anger with a lot of harsh words and harsh behavior. But you know, something that all of us should realize is, it can also be expressed in a smarter way, in a better way, and in a pleasant way. You or we can always choose what we want to be. We can be an egg, we can be a potato, also we can be the tea leaves which changed the color and the taste of water.
Inculcating good manners, good thoughts, and good behavior in children is definitely not a cakewalk for most of the parents. Storytelling is a powerful tool when used rightly. Stories make children laugh, cry, angry, and they dip them in all the emotions. In simple words, they'll make them live the situation and live the story. ABC is a wonderful series of amazing 21 stories. Please do share them with your children. I hope the kids will love to listen to you too.
Lovely, right? And I take this opportunity to thank each one of you who kept encouraging us, and special thanks to Kishore for always being there. He is the one who gave this a beautiful name, ABC, a better change for a better life. And without much delay, very soon I'll meet all of you with another amazing story series. Until then, please take care, be happy and make others happy too.